How to connect Twilio to Retell AI. So first thing you want to do is create the trunk, give it a name, and toggle some general settings. Then do some setup termination. So this is the setup termination for outbounding, and then you want to have your Elastic SIP trunk to accept the outbound request, and currently the Retell, the SIP server with a static IP address. Then you want to set up the origination. So this is for the inbound. So here you will specify the Retell's SIP server address as the origination of SIP URI. Then, as you can see here, same as this code right here, move the numbers to Elastic SIP trunking, where you've created the Elastic trunk, and then you'll need to purchase numbers and move existing numbers to the trunk. Then import the numbers to Retell. So now that the numbers is set up with your Elastic SIP trunking, you need to import the numbers to Retell so that they will know how to route the call. Then here you will supply the termination SIP URI you set up in step 1. Then set up some authentication using your credentials, and then supply some username and password as well. Then lastly, you can now import number programmatically via the import number API. And now that the number is imported, you can now make and receive calls with the number just like a number you purchased from Retell AI. And that's how you connect your Twilio to Retell AI.